Did you know that there is a digital currency that has outperformed gold, stocks, and even real estate? And the best part is you can get started for free in just 60 seconds. It's called Bitcoin, and it's the first of its kind. A decentralized digital currency that is not controlled by any government or bank. It was created in 2009, and since then its value has skyrocketed. In 2010, one Bitcoin was worth less than a penny. And the best part is you don't need to be a millionaire to start investing. That's why thousands of people are turning to Bitcoin as a way to make money online. There's a limited supply of it. And unlike gold, it's also very easy to trade. You can buy it, sell it, send it to anyone in the world instantly and for a fraction of a penny. With just 60 seconds of your time, you can set up a wallet and start buying Bitcoin today. So what are you waiting for? The future of money is here, and it's time to get involved. What's the fastest way to learn about Bitcoin? The digital currency revolution in 60 seconds. Boom! But unlike gold, you can actually do something with it. You can spend it at over 40,000 merchants worldwide. We'll talk about the different ways you can earn Bitcoin and how to use it for everyday purchases. And we'll even cover some of the risks and challenges associated with Bitcoin. And some of them even accept it as a tip. The digital currency revolution in 60 seconds. Don't forget to bring your questions. See you there. Bitcoin is like gold, but it's digital. And just like gold, its price has been going up over time. But unlike gold, it's scarce. So maybe it's not such a crazy idea to get a piece of the pie. But why is it valuable? Because it's scarce and people want it. So just like gold, its value goes up over time. And if you're still not convinced, maybe you should know that the biggest banks and payment companies in the world are investing billions of dollars into this technology. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of Bitcoin in just 60 seconds? Then join us for a webinar, Unlocking Bitcoin, the Digital Currency Revolution. In this webinar, we'll be covering everything from the basics of what Bitcoin is and how it works to the latest news and trends. Whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced investor, we've got something for everyone. You'll learn about the history of Bitcoin and the blockchain technology that makes it possible. Plus, you'll have the opportunity to ask questions and chat with other Bitcoin enthusiasts. So what are you waiting for? Register now and join us for Unlocking Bitcoin,